Best regard tutor and classmates. In this video I am going to talk about past experience and future plans. Good afternoon, tutor and classmates. My name is Javier Enrique Pérez Arguello. I born, was born in the city of Sogamoso, in the department of Boyacá. My marital status is unmarried. I am 36 years old and I currently live in the city of Sogamoso. Dear, in 2009 I entered to carry all my higher studies in the Sena National Mining Center, located in the city of Sogamoso, which completed my studies as a technician in maintenance of machinery and heavy equipment, currently working in a company dedicated to the development of road infrastructure and mining con heavy machinery, already with 10 years of experience in daily tasks, and today I work as a student of electronic engineering at the university, alternating with my work, looking for better job performance and better economic stability and personal improvement. Sincerely, Javier Pérez.